Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your Squarespace website with Patreon. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website if you've not already by going to squarespace.com, and after logging into your account, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by, where on the left side of the screen we can find all the sections we can access for managing our website. So now let's go and take a look at how to get started integrating our website with Patreon. We are going to be following the official support page of Patreon, where we have an article on how to get started connecting our custom domain with Squarespace. So here we have the steps on how to connect our domain. In Patreon, you're going to go to your dashboard in the left sidebar menu. So in the home tab, you're going to click the three dots menu next to the edit page button and select page details, and then open up the basics tab and scroll to the custom domain section and click add a domain. Once you've done that, you can enter in the domain. This is going to be the domain of your website right here that you're using on Squarespace, and here you can go and take a look at examples, and then Patreon will display the DNS records you need to add to Squarespace. This is typically a text record for verification plus either CNAME, alias name, and A records for routing. So once you've gotten that, you can add the DNS records to your Squarespace. You're going to log into your Squarespace like I just showed you, access your DNS settings in the settings tab right here at the bottom of the screen, and get started importing what you've gotten from Patreon, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.